In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use tags for organization in teamwork.com, making it easier for you to keep track of projects and tasks. If you're new to Teamwork or looking to level up your organization game, this will be a game changer for your workflow. Tags in teamwork.com are simple but powerful tools for keeping your projects organized. You can add tags to tasks, projects, and milestones to categorize them based on topics, priorities, or any custom system that fits your team's needs. This makes searching, filtering, and organizing tasks a breeze, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. Once you're inside Teamwork, it's easy to start tagging your tasks. Simply open up a task, scroll to the tags section, and either select an existing tag or create a new one. For example, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you could tag tasks with labels like SEO, content, or design to immediately categorize them. You can also use tags to track priority levels, add high priority to tasks that need urgent attention, or backlog for tasks that can be worked on later. One of the key benefits of using tags is the ability to filter tasks based on their tags. If you're juggling several ongoing projects, tags allow you to quickly pull up all the tasks that relate to a specific area. Let's say you have multiple projects for clients, but you want to see all the tasks related to SEO across those projects. Just filter by the SEO tag and voila, everything you need is in one place. Another great way to use tags for organization in teamwork.com is for team collaboration. If you've got a team of people working on various aspects of a project, you can assign tags that represent specific team roles or departments. This helps your team members focus on tasks relevant to their responsibilities, making collaboration much smoother. For example, you could tag tasks as marketing for marketing team members and development for your tech team, so they can quickly identify their work without sifting through the entire task list. You can also use tags for tracking deadlines or milestones. For instance, using a Q1 deadline tag will help you easily identify tasks that need to be completed by the end of the quarter. The possibilities are endless, and as your needs evolve, you can adjust your tagging system. So, whether you're new to teamwork.com or just trying to improve your team's workflow, using tags for organization can drastically streamline your project management process. The best part is that you can use teamwork.com completely for free with our exclusive bonuses. The link is below, so be sure to check it out. Before we wrap up, I've got an exciting bonus. By using the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of teamwork.com. This gives you more time to explore all its features and see how it can work for your business. Start using tags for organization in teamwork.com today and experience a smarter way to manage your projects.